Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. This is part 11 of our CATIA V5 tutorial beginner series. In this video, we shall explore the solid combine command in part design workbench. If you have been following along so far, we just learned about stiffener in last video. Now let's see how we can create solid by combining two different sketches. Let's go and start. Click on start, mechanical design and part design. Give the name as solid combine. Click on OK. A solid combine feature is created by intersection of two extruded profile. Okay. So let's create. We need two different sketches to combine it. For that, I am creating one sketch on the ZX plane, the sketch 1, or YZ plane, the sketch 1. On YZ plane, I am creating the sketch 1. First, this is, I am just creating a simple rectangle here. Okay. Make it constant, fully constant. This is 150 and this is 60 mm. Okay, and create another profile which is must be coincide this with this the first profile. I will create this on the ZX plane, coincide and perpendicular. The next profile will be, what should we create? I am creating a this shape here. Let's see what will happen. I am giving this length as 80 mm. This length is 100 mm. And this is 45. So let's go out from this sketch. Now we have two different sketches. Okay. To create a solid coupling or solid combine, let's select the solid combine icon from the sketch based feature toolbar. Now click on the first component. I am clicking this one as my first component and click on the second component. Okay. Now you can see the preview, and by default this here you can see the sketch, the profiles are extruded normal to the sketch support. To change the direction, clear the normal profile option and select geometric element to indicate the extruded direction. Like here, you can in the preview you can see if you want to change the direction. This is normal to profile. If you want to change the direction, you can deselect the normal to profile option and right click on the direction and create as per your requirement. Like here I am clicking on x-axis. Okay, or you can change it to y-axis as well. And at y-axis we have an error. Direction of extrusion cannot be parallel to profile plane. What is the mean? Because in y-axis we have created this profile on this plane, y plane. So that's why it is not allowing us. So we have to do, if you do the same z-axis as well, this profile is created on y and z axis. So we have to do extrude the profile on x-axis. You can do x-axis. In the same way, if you want to create it on the, you have created this on ZX plane. Okay, you can extrude this on Y axis, or you can create another line which is 45-degree angle to this one. That way also it will work. Now I'm selecting normal to profile and click on OK. You can see a solid is created with combining two different sketches. Okay, that's how you create combined solid in CATIA V5. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enginuity Lab for more CATIA V5 tutorials. Stay tuned 12 where we shall explore multi-section solids in CATIA. Thanks for watching Enginuity Lab. See you in next video.